This is a LinkedIn quick tip on how to turn on and turn off the open to work feature on LinkedIn on your phone. Right here, when you click on open to, then you can put finding a new job. And it does work in terms of helping you get results in your job search. LinkedIn has done a study that found that people who use open to work with the green banner get 20% more results than those who don't. So that is something to keep in mind. As you're using the open to work feature, there are two options. There is the option where it's recruiter only. So let's say you're someone who doesn't want your boss or your company to know that you're currently job searching, then you would use the recruiter only option because it doesn't show as, it's not visible. There's no green banner that shows up around your profile picture to say that you're currently job searching. If you're okay with everyone knowing that you are currently job searching, then use the green banner. The hashtag open to work frame will show up around your profile picture. That's the one I'm going to use for the sake of this example. When you're using open to work, you want to make sure that you're including the job titles for which you want to be found. So let's say this person wants to be a project manager. So we are going to include those relevant job titles that they want to be found for. So you would include these 5 job titles. You can use this AI prompt. I'm searching for a role as A, include your industry in the role, list 5 alternative job titles for this industry role that I can use in my open to work feature on LinkedIn. So that is an AI prompt that can help you with getting ideas for other job titles that you want to use. And so you would then state the location where you want to work, when you want to start, employment type, and that's basically it. You click on save. You are going to have to turn on in-mail messaging, which I had turned off in the past, so I'm going to turn it back on. That way recruiters can reach out to me for opportunities. And then this is just basically updating your job preferences, and you can do that as a next step. What updates do you want LinkedIn to send you by email based on the job titles that you've selected for your open to work feature? I have another video where I share 3 LinkedIn privacy hacks that you need to know to protect your privacy on the platform, and you can check it out right here.